kitchen appliances, and gadgets vocabulary. Toaster, for example, every morning I use my toaster to make crispy toast for breakfast. Kettle, for example, I filled the kettle with water and switched it on to make a cup of tea. Mixer, for example, the cake batter was prepared using a stand mixer to ensure a smooth and even consistency. Tea maker, for example, the tea maker has a timer, so it prepares a perfect cup of tea every morning at 6 a.m. Refrigerator, for example, make sure to store the leftovers in the refrigerator to keep them fresh. Blender, for example, I used a blender to create a delicious and creamy fruit smoothie. Microwave, for example, she warmed up last night's leftovers in the microwave for a quick lunch. Rice cooker, for example, my rice cooker makes preparing rice so easy it turns off automatically when the rice is done. Gas range, for example, I prefer cooking on a gas range because it provides instant and precise heat control for my dishes. Cabinet, for example, the pots and pans are neatly organized in the kitchen cabinet. Cooker hood or range hood, for example, turn on the cooker hood while frying to keep the kitchen air clean. Dish soap, for example, after dinner, she used dish soap to clean the dirty dishes. Kitchen counter, for example, she has limited space on her kitchen counter, so she needs to keep it organized. Dinner table, for example, they gather around the dinner table every evening for a family meal. Grill, for example, he loved grilling burgers, vegetables, and non-veg on the barbecue grill in the backyard. Kitchen scale, for example, I used a kitchen scale to measure the flour for the cake recipe. Drawer, for example, she keeps her utensils organized in the kitchen drawer for easy access. Pedal bin, For example, the pedal bin in the kitchen helps keep the area clean and hygienic. Thanks for watching.